Do you know what makes home inspection a success? I'm about to tell you. I'm Sushma Kinvasara and I'm a real estate agent in the Toronto area. If you're buying a home, home inspection is one of the most important steps you should take before firming up the deal. A proper home inspection can save you from having to deal with repairs nightmares in the long run. The home buying process can be lengthy, and it is in the home inspection area where most buyers often miss some critical information. Here are 5 tips to help you get the most out of your home inspection. 1. Be present during the inspection. It is understandable if you just want to stand back and let the inspector do all the work in inspecting your potential new home. However, there are benefits in being present during the home inspection process. First, you'll have the chance to hear for yourself what the inspector thinks of the home. Second, you'll have a chance to ask questions about things that you don't understand. Third, it gives you an opportunity to explore the structure and features of the home and be aware of the true condition of the property. Home inspectors will take pictures for proof of any potential issues that might arise. Just expect that the home inspector might charge you an additional fee for the use of this technology. Just a piece of advice: waiving your right to home inspection can cause you a lot of trouble. Getting the home inspector service may seem like a major expense, but it could help you negotiate for a better price if the inspector finds out a major problem in the property. Number 2. Do not focus on minor problems. One common mistake for most buyers is focusing on the things like burnt out light bulbs, faded paint, and dirty carpet. These are considered as wear and tears. All the small issues need minor fixes that you can do yourself with a quick trip to the hardware store. After all, it is rare that a home inspector will find absolutely nothing wrong with the home. Instead of minor issues, focus on major red flags in the homes, such as issues with the roof, foundation, HVAC, and molds. These are the issues that are worth mentioning when negotiating with the seller. Number 3. Hire the experts. Buying a home can be a tedious process. I usually highly recommend to connect you with an experienced local agent who can turn the home buying process into a smooth experience for you. They know best the worth of homes and can help ensure the best possible price while considering the needed repairs. Not only that, they can recommend a good home inspector for your potential home. 4th, anticipate problems not found during an inspection. While an inspector is specially trained to thoroughly inspect the home for defects, there is still a possibility that they will not catch everything. It is important to remember that they are experts in home inspection, not on everything. For example, inspectors may check if an air conditioning unit is functional, but only an HVAC specialist can really do a thorough examination if it will still be working when you move in. Another example is looking for signs of water leakage can be unreliable, especially if the inspection took place after dry season. Just make sure to have a contingency fund for special cases like these. And lastly, redo the inspection after repairs. Before buying a home, it is reasonable to follow up and make sure that all the necessary repairs were done correctly. To do that, you might have to ask your inspector to do a home inspection for the second time, just to make sure that all the major issues were taken care of. It is possible that the seller may have tried to fix the problem on their own, or the hired contractor may have forgotten one of the repairs. You can expect an additional charge from the inspector for verifying that the repairs were completed correctly. In conclusion, it is always best to get the home inspected before you buy. Doing so can be your best defense from spending your own money on costly repairs in the future. And also remember to be objective. Focus on important areas of the home inspection process. It is wiser to spend some money upfront to find out that the home is in good condition. It would give you peace of mind as you feel more at ease about the condition of the home you were about to buy. Hope you found found this information useful. Please put your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.